Hello everybody, welcome. I appreciate you joining me, and today I'm going to make a globe with some bark from an oak burl that I've had for a while, and I got some red glitter, and I've never used just glitter and epoxy, so I'm going to give it a shot. This is for my youngest. He just turned 13, and I made him something a while back. It didn't really go as planned. It's not as nice as I like, so I'm going to make him a little globe with some red. His favorite color is red, so hopefully it'll turn out nice and hopefully he'll like it. I know it's not the normal 13-year-old gift, but at least he'll have something from his dad. So this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to try to glue these together so they don't float. Fill it with some red resin. Alright, there it is. I'm hoping to have kind of a little overhang type looking deal. We'll see. Alright, we'll get her in a fresh pot. Check it out in the morning. Well, I think I got too much glitter. You can kind of see through it. But we'll make it work. Well, that's not what I was looking for. I was hoping the micro mesh pads would get it like almost clear and shiny. See if Mr. Ackley can rescue us. What you think? I think I like it. Alright, pretty shiny. I think it'll work. Alright, I mixed up some 5-minute epoxy. I just put it right on here since that's where it's all going anyway. Oh, there she is. But that's bright. Kind of see the little ledge that I wanted in there. You can kind of see through. I don't know if it's focusing or not, but I got a little too much glitter. But still kind of like it. Wish I'd have got a little less glitter. That'd have been perfect. So I'm not really sure what I'd call that shape. I meant to start out as an egg, and then it was taking too much of the wood away. So I started forming a globe, and it's kind of doing the same thing. So I just went from there. Made it what it is. Kind of like it. Say hello. Say hello to my best friend. Anyway, I like how it turned out. I'll put some pictures up at the end, but you pretty much saw it anyway. So, thank you again for watching. If you're a subscriber, I really appreciate it. If you're not, I'd appreciate it if you would. If you don't, yeah, hopefully you like watching anyway, and you come back for more. I try to put out one every week. Sometimes I can't do it just because of work gets in the way. Go figure. So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you for the next one maybe. Have a blessed day and blessed week. Thanks.